What's up, guys? Godly Perfection here from ReachYourPerfection.com. I bring you another update to Aggro. This is the old version. Don't fret, things have changed. I swear. Just wanted to remind you guys what it used to look like. So you saw the menu screen. Here's the creation screen. This is the playing field. Just a little reminder of how things used to work. In this new version, I am bringing to you. You are able to play online multiplayer with anybody that you know, anybody that's online on the server. You log on to the server and you can pull a list of anybody hosting a game and just join them, and it'll pass turns back and forth and send whatever you're doing. So it's a very simple implementation right now, but it works, and that's what matters. So we can use it for play testing, which will be pretty awesome. So let me close this version and load up the new one. Alright, here's the new version. That's it. I'm done. No, I'm just kidding. This is the login screen. You'll type in your name. It'll try to sign you into the server. Server's not actually up right now, so I can save some processing. But let's press any key to cancel. Here's the new menu screen, which is a lot more fancy than it was. Changed the font for the menus, changed the background, and add a little container that Nappy Assassin made, or Mark Hugley, whatever you want to call his name. I don't know. But so it's a lot more fancy now. Speaking of Nappy, I want to officially let you guys know that he will be officially like a co-designer with me. Originally, I was just gonna make him a assistant developer, but he's been doing a lot behind the scenes. He's making prototype card graphics, new card templates, so I don't have to use magic cards anymore. And he's making card illustrations for each of the characters out of some stock images, photography that we found. So look forward to that. Hopefully it'll be out next update. I think that's going to be my main goal, is getting those graphics in. But he's also been doing paper prototype testing with his friends at the hobby shop, and he's been working extremely hard. So he will be officially part of the Aggro design development team. Yes, we're going to call ourselves Irrelevant Games, because everybody knows that's what I was going to call my indie game company. Anyways, but more about that later. Let's go in. I can't host or join a game, but again, you'll log into the server, and if you can successfully log in, if the server's up, which I'll try to keep it up as often as possible, about 24/7, I'll try. But you'll host a game, and it'll wait for an opponent. So let's load up a local game here, and as you can see, the playing field's completely different. So is the creation screen. Creation screen's now just a row, and on the sides here, like next to the wizard, next to the warrior, that would be arrows allowing you to select other cards that are going to be added later in the future. So let's start creating our party. Here's the new playmat. As you can see in the center, right here, there's what I guess I'm calling in the background an instruction, and it's just going to update with things that are happening, like waiting for an opponent, or this person has joined your session, this person's waiting for this person to select their action, and it'll tell you what to do throughout the whole thing. So I'm going to add a warrior, let's add a rogue. I'm just going to start adding stuff. So something else you'll notice is that the creation screen only takes up half the screen now, and it doesn't fade in, it slides in, which I think looks much more natural. But it allows you to see what your opponent is adding when you're playing against them online. I have an internal online team, testers team, that have been testing the multiplayer and helping me squash the bugs that come up. So they've given me quite a bit of feedback, especially on usability. It's hard not knowing, doing something when you don't know what your opponent just did. So anyways, it tells you that you're using taunt. You'll also notice between each of the phases it delays now, and it tells you exactly what's going on. So you'll pull up your archer, you'll select a range, you'll select range attack, and then you'll select character. It'll tell you, hey, he's doing this ability, then it'll prioritize your party, then you'll do your second ability. and then you'll continue on, copy, blah blah blah, prioritizing, cleanup phase, and then prioritizing once again, and then next person's turn. So the graphics are different. There's a new delay system. Let's see, what else am I missing? I think that might be all for this update. Oh, the cards fade to the particular color instead of just become that color now. But I don't think you can really see it in this video. So, next update coming out. Like I said, the graphics changed. I'm also doing an overhaul of the code in the background, so it'll be much more modular and scalable, which means I can add new abilities much easier. Because right now I only have like triggers set up to happen in the action phase, but in the future you'll be able to have abilities that happen during the cleanup phase and during prioritizing. So I have to adjust the whole code base for that. But look forward to that. Tell your friends that there's online multiplayer aggro and go play with them. Come back to the forums, give me some feedback, and look forward to the next update to where we won't actually be using magic cards anymore. How about that? I think that's all that I have. Again, just tell your friends and have some fun. Also, next update, I'm going to try to incorporate a little chat feature because, playing against your opponent without actually, bragging in their face kind of sucks. So, for now, you have to use Skype or Xbox Live or something. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys go for now, and, I'm also, right after this, I'm making a how-to video, how to play aggro in case you have friends that don't know how to play. And because, I understand the last couple versions only had local games, which isn't very fun. Now that you can play online, it's time to actually learn. So look forward to that demonstration video and how to play, and spread the word again. It's about time to have some fun with aggro. I'll probably be hosting a kind of initial multiplayer release tournament, maybe for I have a spare 1 month of Xbox Live just lying around, so just for the fun of it, just to get into the swing of things. So, and you'll also be able to help us find out what's completely broken and what's not. Alright, catch you guys later. I've talked way too much today.